How are solutions formed? 3 steps are necessary for a solution to form. The steps do not happen sequentially, but rather all at one time, but each of them is necessary. 1 is that intermolecular forces in the solvent are broken. The solvent is expanded. Intermolecular forces in the solute are also broken. Solute and solvent particles form new intermolecular forces together. A solution is a homogeneous mixture made of a solute, the substance that is dissolved, and the solvent, the substance doing the dissolving. Solutions do not need to be only solids dissolved in liquids. They can be various combinations of states of matter. Breaking intermolecular forces takes energy, while forming intermolecular forces releases energy. If there is a much greater energy input needed than released, the solution will not form. However, if the energy required as input is similar or less than the energy released, the solution will form. Everyone knows oil and water don't mix, but why? Water must break 3 intermolecular forces: London dispersion, dipole, and hydrogen bonding. Oil must break London dispersion. When the 2 are mixed together, the only intermolecular force they can form together is London dispersion. 4 intermolecular forces are broken, including the much stronger dipole and hydrogen bonding. And only 1 intermolecular force can be formed, and it's the weakest kind. Much more energy would be required than released. Therefore, the solution does not form. They are more stable separate than together. You may have heard of a generalization of like dissolves like. This came from the idea that compounds with similar properties can form similar intermolecular forces. If similar intermolecular forces can be formed between 2 compounds, as within each of the compounds, a solution is likely to form. Things with like bond types will dissolve other things with similar bond types. For example, polar compounds tend to dissolve polar compounds, and nonpolar compounds dissolve other nonpolar compounds.